Welcome to the Park Residence Hall. Constructed in 2007, Park Hall stands as a modern and vibrant residence within Ball State University's South Residential neighborhood. As a co-ed hall, Park welcomes students from all backgrounds, fostering a diverse and inclusive living environment. Equipped with centralized air conditioning, Park Hall ensures a comfortable living experience throughout the year. Beyond its essential amenities, Park distinguishes itself with a range of unique features tailored to enhance residents' lives. This state-of-the-art residence offers a variety of equipment and resources to support students' academic pursuits, creative endeavors, and personal well-being. Park Hall caters to the needs of bicycle commuting students by offering ample bike racks located adjacent to the building's entrance, ensuring their bicycles are safely secured while not in use. Stepping into Park Hall, residents are greeted by the welcoming presence of the front desk, situated conveniently in the main lobby. This central hub serves as a one-stop destination for all resident needs, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable living experience. Whether seeking answers to questions about hall policies, checking out cooking utensils for culinary endeavors, borrowing a vacuum cleaner for a quick cleanup, or exploring the vast array of board games available for leisure time, the front desk staff stands ready to assist. Residents can also inquire about hall-specific and campus-wide resources, collect their packages, and connect with hall staff to address any concerns or seek guidance. Park Hall's lobby isn't just an entrance to the building, it's a vibrant hub for hall life. Whether you're seeking a studious corner to dive into textbooks, a cozy haven to catch up with friends, or reliable tech for printing that late-night essay, this sun-kissed space has you covered. Located on the first floor of the building past the front desk, residents will find their mailboxes. Once a student moves into the hall, they will receive a designated mailbox and locker combination, allowing them to receive mail directly to their residence hall. Students can find details regarding mail in the halls, including their hall address, by visiting their front desk. Resident rooms inside Park Hall have been strategically designed to meet the needs and wants of their residents. Inside a standard double room in Park Hall, students will find 2 loftable beds, 2 desks, each with a chair, and 2 dressers. These rooms boast movable, adaptable furniture, letting residents sculpt the space to perfectly reflect their own unique style. Standard double rooms also have 1 large closet that is shared between both residents. Students living in Park Hall can either rent a mini fridge microwave combo for their room or bring one of their own. Specifics regarding mini fridge and microwave regulations can be found on the Ball State Housing website. Rooms also come with a trash and recycling can, and a designated trash room can be found on each floor. Additionally, each floor has a designated custodian who helps keep the communal space of the floor clean and removes the trash from the trash room daily. On the residential floors in Park Hall are semi-private bathrooms. These bathrooms are shared between several rooms on a floor. Students will be able to access their bathroom pod through their Ball State ID key cards, and access is only given to students assigned to specific bathrooms. Each bathroom pod features a shared mirror and sink area, followed by individual doors leading to private showers and toilets. Custodians regularly clean the pods, but residents are encouraged to practice good hygiene and maintain the shared area's cleanliness for everyone's comfort. There's no more laundry day dread for residents living in Park Hall. On the first floor of the building, residents have access to a low-cost laundry facility that is equipped with multiple washing machines and dryers. This space is open to residents 24 hours a day and is key card accessible. No more fumbling for coins. Park Hall residents can choose between 2 convenient laundry payment options. The traditional coin system remains available, while the innovative Speed Queen app offers a modern solution. Residents can download the app onto their smartphone and pay for laundry cycles digitally, eliminating the need for coins. Additionally, the app provides valuable features like real-time machine availability updates and cycle completion notifications, allowing residents to plan their laundry time effectively. Park Hall residents have the advantage of a readily accessible in-hall fitness center. Simply swipe your Ball State ID card to gain access to a variety of equipment, including treadmills, ellipticals, free weights, yoga balls, and more, for a convenient and personalized workout experience. Whip up culinary masterpieces on your own terms. Park Hall's conveniently located kitchenettes scattered throughout the building feature full-size fridges, oven-stove combos, microwaves, and ample storage. Unleash your inner chef, host cozy movie night dinners, or simply brew a perfect cup of joe. For added convenience, residents can also borrow additional kitchen items like pots, pans, measuring cups, and utensils from the front desk, eliminating the need to purchase these items individually. Park Hall offers a diverse range of dedicated study and lounge spaces that cater to the varying needs of its residents. Whether you crave quiet focus, collaborative group work, or a casual environment for socializing, Park Hall provides the perfect setting to unwind, connect, and excel. The Park Multipurpose Room is a spacious and adaptable space for many activities and events within the hall. Its expansive floor plan allows for flexible configuration, easily accommodating large gatherings, presentations, meetings, and workshops. Equipped with audio-visual technology and comfortable seating, the room provides an ideal setting for both formal and informal events. This room is a testament to Park Hall's commitment to fostering a well-rounded and enriching living experience for its residents. It provides a space for learning, connection, celebration, and personal growth, creating lasting memories and fostering a sense of belonging that extends beyond the walls of Park. Beyond its tangible offerings, Park Hall fosters a sense of community that transcends physical space. It's a place where friendships are forged, memories are made, and individuals are encouraged to flourish. Whether you seek a lively atmosphere for social interaction or a quiet corner for focused study, Park Hall provides the ideal setting to thrive and make the most of your college experience. To learn more details about Park Hall and its resources, visit our website at bsu.edu/housing.